as mentioned, we will play the music 30 seconds, 45 seconds, and repeat the one again so you have it better in your mind. And then we will change the cables, starting with a 2404, go ahead with a 4004 pure copper, and finally with a 4004 pure silver.
Okay. So you were playing.
We start listening.
Okay.
A few minutes, few songs.
So you were playing Natalie Merchant there? That was Natalie Merchant you were just playing, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So Guido, you like to play some tracks in advance,
Yes.
to get a little bit warmer with the system, and
Yeah.
then,
Yeah.
And then we
start
change.
the test.
Okay. First is Dominic Fields' Aim.
Yeah, I know her very well.
It's called Freedom. It's a very impressive song.
Yes, she's played a lot, yeah.
With a very good stage.
Yeah.
Your song, 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 your song. If they know what you're up to, if they know what you're up to, if they know what you're up to, misbehaving, if they know what you're up to, if they know what you're up to, misbehaving, if they know what you're up to. Shiny dancing figures in the dark, going around half complete, wondering if they'll ever get to find what's been right at their feet. Where have you been all my life? What did you see in this life? Where have you been? What took you so long to break this wall down? Where have you been all my life? What did you see in this life? Where have you been? What took you so long to break this wall down? Brick by brick, stone by stone, brick by brick, stone by stone, brick by brick, stone by stone, brick by brick, stone, brick by brick, stone by stone, brick by brick, stone by stone, brick by brick, stone by stone. They know what you were up to, misbehaving. They know what you were up to, new beginnings. They know what you were up to misbehaving. They know what you were up to. If they know what you were up to, misbehaving. They know what you were up to. Freedom to live my life however I got them feet. Freedom to leave behind all the unfounded fears. Freedom to freedom to freedom.
So the second one is from the original motion picture soundtrack Deadpool second, Celine Dion and Ashes.
Okay.
What's left to say? These prayers ain't working anymore. Every word shut down in flames. What's left to do with these broken pieces on the floor? I'm losing my voice, calling on you. 'Cause I've been shaking, I've been bending backwards till I'm broke. Watching all these dreams go up in smoke. Let beauty come out of ashes. Let beauty come out of ashes. And I prayed about all night and tears. Can beauty come out of ashes? Can you use these tears to put out the fires in my soul? 'Cause I need you here. Whoa. 'Cause I've been shaking, I've been bending backwards till I'm broke. Watching all these dreams go up in smoke. Let beauty come out of ashes. Let beauty come out of ashes. And I prayed about all night as tears. Can beauty come out of ashes? Can beauty come out of ashes?
And the next one is Bruce Springsteen, 57 Channels.
Okay.
I bought a bourgeois house in the Hollywood Hills with a trunk load of $100,000 bills. Man came by to hook up my cable TV. We settled in for the night, my baby and me. We switched round and round till half past dawn. There was 57 channels and nothing on. 57 channels and nothing on. 57 channels and nothing on. Well now, home entertainment was my baby's wish, so I hopped in town for a satellite dish. I tied it to the top of my Japanese car. I came home and I pointed it out into the stars. A message came back from the great beyond. It's 57 channels and nothing on. 57 channels and nothing on. 57 channels and nothing on. Bill, you might have made some friends with some billionaires. We might have got all nice and friendly if we made it straight upstairs. 'Cause all I got was a note that said, bye bye John, our love's 57 channels and nothing on. So I bought a 44 Magnum with solid steel cast, and in the blessed name of Elvis, well, I just let it blast till my TV lay in pieces there at my feet, and they busted me for disturbing the almighty peace. Judge said, what you got in your defense, son? 57 channels and nothing on. 57 channels and nothing on. 57 channels and nothing on. I can see by your eyes, friend, you're just about gone. 57 channels and nothing on. 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 57 channels.
So now I play the Beat Hotel from Alan Taylor. We listen about 2 minutes, then I will stop. Then we start again with 30 seconds, and then we change the cables.
Okay.
Paris 1956, number 9 Rue Gillicourt. Word is out and everybody's beating on the door. Madame Rachou will let you in. Just smile and ring the bell. Welcome to Nirvana at the Beat Hotel. Sweet smell of Pernod, a Gaulois cigarette. It's a cosmic congregation, but you ain't said nothing yet. It's an open invitation, an existential clientele, all looking for Nirvana at the Beat Hotel. They looked for it in New York City, in San Francisco Bay. They looked for it in bebop jazz, and it blew them all away. They tried out every avenue and then said, what the hell? We'll look for it in Paris at the Beat Hotel. Boris came up. Paris 1956, number 9 Rue Gillicourt. Word is out and everybody's beating on the door. Madame Rachou will let you in. Just smile and ring the bell. Welcome to Nirvana at the Beat Hotel.
All right, so while they're changing them, I'm not going to give my impressions to color you guys. Once we start changing, I'll let y'all listen, and then I'll give my impressions at the end. But just the baseline of what I'm hearing right now, exceptionally refined, the electronics cabling and the speakers. One thing I want to really point out, because you probably can't tell from the cell phone recording, is that these have quickly elevated why I liked them so much 2 years ago in Long Beach. And it reminded me today, one thing that I think I contribute mostly to the speakers is that the tweeter is high up. So the presentation is much higher than I'm used to. I'm so used to these point source box speakers. Everything's half or 2/3 down in the room. This is so much more realistic. I don't feel like I'm listening to midgets. So you get this refined sound, open. Now we're going to try upgraded cables, copper, 4004, right?
Right.
Okay. I won't give my opinion just yet. Let y'all just listen.
Paris 1956, number 9 Rue Gillicourt. Word is out and everybody's beating on the door. Madame Rachou will let you in. Just smile and ring the bell. Welcome to Nirvana at the Beat Hotel. The sweet smell of Pernod, a Gaulois cigarette. It's a cosmic congregation, but you ain't seen nothing yet. It's an open invitation, an existential clientele, all looking for Nirvana at the Beat Hotel. They looked for it in New York City, in San Francisco Bay. They looked for it in bebop jazz, and it blew them all away. They tried out every avenue and then said, what the hell, we'll look for it in Paris at the Beat Hotel. Boris.
Yeah, so I guess I'll record this just so I have it, but I'm not going to put it until people can hear. But yeah, what I liked about the upgrade in the cables, it seemed like a little more extension to the entire soundstage from height, width, just a little bit further out from the speakers. But the delineation within the layering of where everything was seemed a lot more precise, and his vocals seemed a little more clear and real. And especially that sax, I thought, sounded a lot more real. Again, not dramatically, but definitely felt like less listening to speaker, more listening to real music. I guess we'll go to the silver now.
With the pure silver.
Okay, we're going to the 4004 pure silver.
Paris 1956, number 9 Rue Gillicourt. Word is out and everybody's beating on the door. Madame Rachou will let you in. Just smile and ring the bell. Welcome to Nirvana at the Beat Hotel. The sweet smell of Pernod, a Gaulois cigarette. It's a cosmic congregation, but you ain't seen nothing yet. It's an open invitation, an existential clientele, all looking for Nirvana at the Beat Hotel. They looked for it in New York City, in San Francisco Bay. They looked for it in bebop jazz, and it blew them all away. They tried out every avenue and then said, what the hell, we'll look for it in Paris, at the Beat Hotel. Burroughs came up from Tangiers, Ginsberg from New York, Kerouac came up from Italy and slept out in the park. Gregory Corso came and went, and where he's at no one can tell. He's still looking for Nirvana at the Beat Hotel. Take me to your leader, take me to the man. Someone has got the answer, someone's got the perfect plan. If you're lurking in the alleys, if you're lurking in the bars, you'll find us in the gutter, looking at the stars. This ragged band of poets.
Okay, so yeah, that was great. Couple of key points here. I think tonality about the same, but the transients seem a little bit better with the silver. And the density, I think people think that silver's brighter. I wasn't into detecting any kind of change in tonality or brightness or brittleness. In fact, I think it seemed a little more denser. The transients are really good. Precision even better now with some of those things. And I guess the biggest testament that I heard different is a subliminal one that in the middle of the song, I just stopped concentrating and started enjoying the music. And when your body does that and stops focusing and you feel like you're just identifying the music, that's usually the best tell of all, that you're liking what you're hearing. And all this audiophile jargon and BS, is secondary to that emotion and feeling that you just stop listening to speakers and you're listening to music. And I did get that feeling in the middle of that song there. So definitely impressive demo here.